Hello dear students, I welcome you in our bamboo propagation and management course. Today we are going to see the practical of bamboo. Today we are going to study different products of bamboo which are nowadays most popular and commercially used for many purposes. Myself, Sucheta Bidwe. I am working as assistant professor in Department of Botany, KTHM College, and I am going to deal with you for our paper Botany products and products of bamboo and management. So today we will going to discuss on products of bamboo. Now when we talk about the bamboo serves as a green gold of the 21st century. In earlier practicals also we have discussed about different uses of bamboo, and we have already discussed the how we can propagate bamboo plant in order to get a number of plantlet for the commercial production of bamboo plant. In case of bamboo, when we talk about the bamboo can be used very varyingly and in vast array of product can be synthesized by using bamboo. Bamboo, we know that regularly in day-to-day life, we are using bamboo in very different categories. Like in different type of instruments, in fabrics, in papers, as a source of energy, as a food material, as well as it can be used for the creation of different sports uses. Then it can be used for the furnitures, it can be used in different type of jewelries and fashions, and very importantly we can use a different type of household type of atom by using the bamboo. The products of bamboo we are going to use in different type of furnitures, in decoration of home, and a very nice type of interior can be designed by using bamboo. Now we'll see what are the uses of bamboo one by one under different headings that we are going to see. The first one, bamboo musical instrument. Bamboo is used to different type of musical instrument from the thousands of years. Historically, there were reports which are saying that bamboos can be used for the preparation of different musical instruments. For example, bamboo thumb piano. The piano which are operated by thumb can be prepared by using bamboo, as well as the bamboo pan flute is also very popular instrument. Nextly, everybody is familiar with the drum. The drum operated by means of sticks, and these sticks can be prepared by using bamboo only. So these bamboo plants were used in the preparation of bamboo drumsticks, and it is used for the construction of xylophone also. Again, xylophone, it is one of the category of musical instrument. Very popularly, and we all are familiar to the flute. Bamboo flutes are also very famous in all of us. As well as bamboo plant can also be used for the preparation of bamboo saxophone reeds. These all are some uses of bamboo for the preparation and construction of different type of musical instrument. In next category, surprisingly, you might not be aware of the thing that bamboo can be used for the production of fabrics as well as textile. By using bamboo pulp, we can prepare fabrics of bamboo, then and that fabrics can be potentially used in the textile markets also. In the picture you can see this bamboo fabrics can be used for the preparation of bath towels. This can be used for the preparation of pillows also. These are the some popular products like bamboo pillows and bamboo towels which are used very popularly, and very importantly these are the biodegradable products, and these are not going to cause any type of pollution in the environment. These fabrics and textiles were also used to prepare the reusable bamboo makeup remover pad. Everybody is familiar that we are using that cotton pads and another type of what we can say non-biodegradable type of atom for the makeup purposes. But nowadays there is availability of reusable bamboo makeup remover pads also. There is availability of bamboo sheets. These bamboo sheets, this can be used during traveling. These are 100% safe and this can be used commercially also. This pulp and paper of the bamboo can be used for the construction of again a different category of atom. This bamboo pulp is used to prepare the reusable bamboo paper towel. Again, paper towel, everybody is familiar with the importance of paper towels, and these paper towels can be prepared by using bamboo. And again, these are the reusable and non-polluting type of products of bamboo. Now, this copy paper which we are always using can be prepared by using bamboo. And very importantly, the disposable cups of paper, then we can prepare disposable cup, then the plates, then spoons, tissues by using these bamboo plants also. These all are basically these all are the disposable, these all are the reusable and biodegradable type of products of the bamboo. This bamboo pulp can be used for the preparation of toilet paper. It can be used for the preparation of diapers. We know that for the preparation of diaper, a synthetic type of component were used which are non-degradable. But nowadays there are construction or there is preparation of diapers by using bamboo material which are 100% disposable as well as the decomposable. Again, by using bamboo, we can prepare a coffee filter also. The raw material pulp of bamboo and paper of bamboo can be used for the production of bamboo filters also. Now, when we talk about the energy, nowadays we require a alternative source of energy, and that can be established or that can be discovered by using bamboo also. From earlier days, these bamboo plants are also serving as a very good energy source. In specifically in rural area, this bamboo plant, this stem of bamboo, dried clump of bamboo were used as a good source of energy. Now this good source of energy of bamboo can be produced by means of bamboo chips. This can be used as a source of energy. The charcoal which is prepared from the bamboo can also be used for the source of energy, and the pellets of bamboo or bamboo bricks can be used as a source of energy which is going to generate the energy, and again it is renewable type of energy source. Nextly, when we talk about the bamboo plant is a good alternative source to the food. If we talk about the rural area people, or specifically if we talk about the tribal people, the tribal peoples were using shoots of the younger bamboo for the preparation of the vegetable and in the preparation of salads. There are many products of shoots of bamboo nowadays available into the market. We can get such a sliced bamboo shoots, or we can purchase that bamboo shoots from the market also, and these young stems were used to prepare the vegetable and in the other type of preparation. The younger bamboo stem were also used in the preparation of beer also. Then there is very famous product, that is bamboo beer, which is prepared by using bamboo. Then bamboo leaves can be used for the preparation of tea. A very famous product, that is bamboo tea is prepared by using leaves of the bamboo. Again, this bamboo is importantly used for the construction of sports and for the recreation of the many type of atoms. For example, we can use bamboo for the preparation of bicycle also. We can prepare helmets also by using bamboo. There are some example of prepared bamboo helmets and the bamboo bicycles. By using bamboo, we can prepare water bottles as well as the baseball bats were also being prepared by using bamboo stem also. Then this bamboo can be used for the preparation of different electronic appliances also, like sound system, then mouse, calculators or the watches can be prepared by using bamboo as a raw material. Along with that, this bamboo plant is very potential source, or it potentially used for to create variations in the fashion world. This bamboo can be used for the preparation of earrings also. It can be used for the preparation of different type of jewelries like bracelets, necklaces, etc. That were very famous nowadays specifically. Then when we talk about the cosmetics, in the world of cosmetics also, bamboo is created his own name. Now when we talk about the container of the cosmetics, these are nowadays prepared with the bamboo because these are the biodegradable and these are going to reduce the problem of pollution, and therefore instead of plastic container, nowadays there is very good demand for the wood container for the cosmetics. Now like cosmetic, that is the cosmetic containers, the bamboo can also be directly used for the preparation of different type of cosmetics also. For example, this bamboo can be used to prepare the bamboo face mask, and these are the very popular in order to nourish your skin and for the glowing, and these are the very popular product of the which is prepared by using bamboo. Now there is different applications of bamboo in the preparation of furnitures. We can prepare a cupboard, chairs and many home decorative things. This bamboo can be efficiently used for the preparation of different household items. For example, there is different cutleries can be prepared by using bamboo. You can see here the fork, spoons, then the we can prepare the forks, spoons by using the bamboo. We can use the bamboo cutting board. Then we can prepare different sets, or we can prepare a dinner sets, then our plates, the bowls by using bamboo also. Then very widely the bamboo can be used for the preparation of toys for the children. There are many what we can say traditional reports also in which the children's can be they are using the bamboo toys, and nowadays we can construct a very constructive toys by using bamboo also. This bamboo decoration nowadays is in very high demand. These are very popular because very importantly these can be reused, this can be biodegradable, they are minimizing the problems of pollution, and therefore nowadays the bamboo decorations, bamboo interiors were also very popular. These bamboo products can be also served to clean and to create a very wonderful corners of your home. The different decorative products of bamboo can be used for the home decorations. So in today's lecture plus practical session, we have seen the uses of bamboo and we have seen different economical uses of the bamboo plant. Thank you.